Merci, professeur Morin, pour cette présentation. Alors, Monsieur le chancelier, Monsieur le recteur et vice-chancelier, Monsieur le président du conseil d'administration, invité d'honneur, chers diplômés, parents et amis. Je tiens tout d'abord à exprimer ma reconnaissance à la direction et au gouverneur de l'Université Concordia pour ce doctorat honorifique. Je suis très fière et je suis aussi très touchée, d'autant plus qu'il m'est offert au même moment de d'autres personnes exceptionnelles qui reçoivent aussi une reconnaissance au cours des derniers jours. Je tiens d'ailleurs à les féliciter pour leur réalisation tout à fait remarquable. Je tiens également à féliciter M. Jacques Ménard pour son installation comme chancelier de Concordia. Monsieur Ménard, je suis convaincue que vous saurez apporter à ce rôle important toutes vos convictions et votre engagement à la cause de l'éducation supérieure au Québec et au Canada. Looking out at all the graduates today, I can't help thinking back to my own graduation, which was more years ago than I would care to admit, at least 10, maybe 12. This is such a different experience for me, as I would like to share some words of wisdom for the graduating class of 2011. If you decide to get another degree, and I strongly believe in lifelong learning, make sure it's the honorary degree. Blague à part, je me sens privilégiée de pouvoir joindre les rangs de diplômés de Concordia, une grande université qui se classe parmi les meilleures au Canada. Une université qui offre à ses étudiants une riche expérience urbaine et multiculturelle, une grande qualité d'enseignement et des programmes innovateurs. Je tiens à féliciter les instances, la direction et le corps professoral de l'université pour votre contribution importante à l'éducation supérieure au Québec. Votre travail est exigeant, mais essentiel pour le développement de notre société. Je dois vous dire aussi que le Mouvement Desjardins est très fier d'être associé à plusieurs de vos travaux. Now, to all the graduates, I would like to take this opportunity to congratulate you for all your hard work and your great achievement. This is a wonderful day. You should be very proud of what you have accomplished. But please, don't forget that is not just your day alone. It is also a day that you need to share with the people who were there to support you, your families, your friends, your professors. All of them are also proud to share with you your success. Comme vous, je souhaite aussi partager cet honneur avec mes parents, ma famille et des proches qui sont ici aujourd'hui. Merci de votre appui, merci de votre soutien. Je souhaite également partager cet honneur avec les membres du conseil d'administration du Mouvement Desjardins, nos dirigeants et l'ensemble de nos employés, puisque je ne serai pas ici sans votre appui, vos conseils et votre travail. Merci. This day marks the end of one journey for all of you, but it is also the beginning of a new one. As a very clever person once wrote, a college education never hurt anyone willing to learn something afterwards. I can tell you from my own experience that learning is a never-ending process. In fact, life is full of learning opportunities, provided you are open to new experiences and ideas, willing to get involved, and being able to work well with people. As a teenager, music was my first love, and I dreamed of studying in Europe and becoming a concert pianist. For financial and other reasons, it didn't work out. But I did learn a lot from my early studies in music. I learned the value of hard work, discipline, and perseverance. And I learned the joy and deep sense of shared accomplishment that comes from working with others in harmony. Later on, I learned a great deal of technical and business education from studying accounting and business management. Obviously, this opened doors for my professional life. And yet, looking back, I must say that I learned also a lot outside of the classroom, especially through my active participation in student associations and as a student representative at the Board of Governors. I believe that my personal involvement on campus and later on in my profession and in the business community is really what helped me develop essential people skills, gain confidence in myself, and build a strong professional network. In retrospect, I think that a willingness to learn and to get involved, in other words, to play an active role in life, is the very first step on the road to success. So if I were to give you one piece of advice, it would be this one. Engagez-vous. Find a business, a project, or a cause you believe in and get involved. Don't stay in the back seat. Take your place and work seriously at it. Share your vision with people. People will help you to realize your dream. The world is changing, but people will always make the difference. I'm a strong believer in people. People working together with respect, collaboration, and personal commitment. I believe in shared leadership and cooperation. I believe in diversity and solidarity. I believe that people working together can achieve great things as a result of the dynamic combination of individual capabilities, experiences, and viewpoints. I believe in inclusion of people, in building and working on what brings people together instead of just looking at the differences. Society would be much better off that way. The best ideas always emerge when everyone around the table can contribute to the discussion in an honest and respectful way. But this will require from you, as a leader, the ability to listen, to seek advice, and to support people. After all, business is always about people and values, values of integrity, solidarity, and responsibility. No matter where you stand within an organization, always ask for advice before making an important decision. And listen with attention to the feedback you get. And also be always respectful of your own personal values. Of course, this requires humility and trust. But from my experience, this is even more important as you rise to the top. Deux qualités par excellence triomphent de tout. En premier lieu, une intelligence nette de ce qu'il y a à faire et de la manière de le faire. Puis, la belle vertu de persévérance, indomptable, énergique et sûre d'elle-même, par la conviction intime que l'on est sur la bonne voie. Cette réflexion, toujours actuelle, a été écrite par Alphonse Desjardins, ce grand entrepreneur, innovateur, coopérateur, qui a fondé le mouvement Desjardins en décembre 1900. Je vous souhaite donc à chacune et à chacun de vous cette intelligence et cette persévérance de réaliser vos rêves en accord avec vos convictions et surtout dans le respect de vos valeurs et des personnes que vous aimez et qui vous entourent. Mesdames et messieurs, merci encore à toute la communauté universitaire pour ce grand honneur que vous me faites aujourd'hui. Merci.